If you're seeing a Facebook error while resetting your password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. This is especially helpful if the reset page keeps failing, won't load properly, or gives you an error message every time you try. We'll cover the most common fixes, starting with your internet connection, then a stronger password suggestion, and finally clearing your browser cache and cookies. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt Facebook's password reset process and cause errors. Try switching to a more stable Wi-Fi network, or if possible, disconnect and reconnect to refresh your connection. You can also test another website to make sure your internet is working normally before trying Facebook again. If your connection is fine, the next thing to try is using a strong new password. Sometimes Facebook may reject a password if it's too weak, too similar to your old password, or doesn't meet security requirements. Choose a password that includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make it unique and avoid using anything you've used before. After that, go back and try the reset process again. If you're still getting the error, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, saved browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with Facebook login and password reset pages. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cached files and cookies. After clearing them, close the browser completely and reopen it before visiting Facebook again. If you're on a mobile device, you can also try using a different browser or opening Facebook in an incognito or private window. This helps rule out browser-related issues and gives you a fresh session. Once you've done that, try resetting your password again and see if the problem is resolved. In many cases, one of these simple steps is enough to fix the Facebook password reset error. If it still doesn't work, you may need to wait a little while and try again later, because temporary account or server issues can sometimes cause reset failures. So, to recap, check your internet connection, use a strong new password, and clear your browser cache and cookies. These are the fastest and most effective first steps for fixing this issue. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy solutions just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.